Hello friends, my name is Leah of Cozy Crochet Co, where I show you how to crochet the cozy way. Today's video, I am so excited. I think somebody must have known that my birthday was coming up because I got a care package, and not just any care package, a care package from, if y'all can read that, oh, it's upside down, Furls. So if you want to see what's in this box, make sure you stay tuned. If you like yarn and crochet content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, like this video and comment down below all of your thoughts and comments because I would love to hear from you. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can keep up with my latest project. And if you want to support the channel or give me a birthday gift, the link is going to be down below to buy me a coffee. All right, so let's get into it. Let's open this box. I am so excited. I am so excited. So I got an email from somebody from Furls and they was like, hey, we really love your videos. We would love to send you a care package. And at first I was like, am I being delusional? Is somebody trying to trick me into thinking that Furls recognize my videos? Well, obviously they did. So I am super excited and super thankful. I just want to thank everybody who watches my videos and comments and shares, because without you guys being so supportive, I would never get opportunities like this. And this is not sponsored. They said I have no obligation to share this, but obviously I'm going to share it. So let's get into the box. All right, I'm going to open it real quick. And this is a big box. Normally the boxes I get from Furls is like small. So, and I have absolutely no idea what's in this box. She did send me like an invoice and to know what to expect, but I did not look at it because I wanted it to be a surprise and an experience for both of us to open up. This is just so exciting. All right, so we're gonna open it together, okay? All right, so I'm not gonna look at this. That's the that tells us what's in the box. All right, and I see yarn. Okay, hold up. Gotta make sure there's nothing in here. All right, but I see some yarn. Okay, let's look at the yarn first. Oh, these are such pretty colors. So this must be like their yarn, their signature yarn. This says Boundless Potential Wonder Acrylic Yarn. Ooh. And it's really nice. Oh my goodness. This is in the color Ambrosia. Ooh. It is 100% acrylic worsted weight yarn. It 120 yards. And it's a category 4 yarn. It says Wonder is Furls' first acrylic yarn, airy, soft, satiny, and in a wide variety of colors. Wonder is for fiber artists who love a touch of luxe and easy versatility. And it feels really nice. Oh my gosh. It's really, at first, when I first touched it, it didn't feel like an acrylic yarn. They gave me 2 balls of this sandbar. Ooh. These are really nice colors. What do you think I should make with these colors? I don't know, but look at it. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. I would have never picked this color, honestly, but these colors are absolutely gorgeous. Ooh, I'm so excited. And then these have to be some type of hooks. Let's see. All right, so we have streamline. We have some streamline hooks. All right, let's open the first one. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Look at this one. It's so pretty. It kind of matches my shirt a little bit. Oh my goodness. And this is in a size 8. Look how gorgeous. Ooh, this is so pretty. I love this color. So it's like, it has like a aquamarine teal. I gotta figure out which one of these it is, but I love like this copper color with this teal. It's so unique. I would have never picked this out for myself, but this is absolutely gorgeous. All right, on to the next one. Oh my goodness, it's pink. Maybe this is just me, but I've never seen this one before. This is so pretty, and it has like glitter. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh, How pretty. Oh, I like that one. I think the pink one is probably my favorite so far. All right, let's see what's in this one. Da, 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 da. And we have a wooden hook. Oh my goodness. I am gonna say I only have like one other wooden crochet hook. The only other wooden hooks that I have in my collection are Tunisian crochet. So this is very special. Look at it. Oh my goodness. How pretty. Oh wow. I honestly, and it's like so smooth. This is really nice. Okay, this is in a 7mm. Okay, so now that we've looked at all the hooks, let's look at their colors. This is the Laurel Streamline Wood Crochet Hook. Nice. Absolutely gorgeous. It feels amazing. I would have to take really good care of this and not drop it because I would be absolutely so sad if I dropped this. This is the I'm gonna have to put the name somewhere. Andromeda Streamline Galaxy Crochet Hook. Now that I saw the name, this does look like something from the galaxy far, far away, right? Absolutely gorgeous. And then this one is the Polar Streamline Galaxy Crochet Hook. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at them all together. So gorgeous. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I love them. Look at my babies. Okay, so out of these, which ones are my favorite? Something about this pink and red. This is just absolutely gorgeous. But the wood is just so sleek and sophisticated. I'm so happy. I can't wait to display these in my collection. How exciting! How nice. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Furls, for sending me this care package. This really made my birthday. My birthday is coming up September 26th, and this really made this birthday extra special. I'm so happy. That's gonna be it for today's video. I want to know down below in the comment section which one of these hooks is your favorite, which ones are you gonna check out, and then let me know what I should make with this new yarn, well, new to me yarn from Furls, because I've never tried out their yarn. I've always seen it on their website, but I've never bought any, and I'm gonna be honest, now that I'm feeling it and now that I have it on my hands, I might have to buy some more because this is really nice. I can't wait to crochet something with it. I'm gonna have to use like my crochet hook, my wooden crochet hook with these, and do like a really Instagram worthy picture. I'm so excited. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and as always, create something gorgeous. Bye, guys.